Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Sophie Matthew, a counseling psychologist. Are you worried that your child can't focus for more than 5 minutes? Imagine this. When you are watching a TV serial, someone changing the channel every 10 seconds. You never get to finish once your brain is stuck in restart mode. That's exactly what happens to kids' brain when they are glued to reels and short videos. Each clip resets their attention before it can go deep. Over time, the focus muscle becomes weak. That is why schoolwork, reading, or even simple conversations feel harder to follow. Short videos give the brain quick dopamine hits. The brain get used to constant novelty. So when the children sit with anything slower, like homework or attending class, it feels boring and frustrating. But the good news is focus can be rebuilt. Encourage them to do small tasks without screens. You can do puzzles, reading short stories, or even helping you in the kitchen. Most importantly, model it yourself. Put your phone away during family time. Kids mirror us more than we think. So, next time your child says, I can't concentrate, or next time if teacher says your kid is weak at something, or the child can't focus on something, it's not the kid's problem. It's you who robbed him of the focus to study a subject to remember. And with the right habits, their attention span can grow strong again. Thank you for watching. See you soon.